Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove OK button from lock screen in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and you have OK button just like this, when you enter your password or PIN, it will show recommend you to tap on OK to enter the home scene. So now if you want to disable it or remove it, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go for lock scene and AOD if you have it. I have a lock scene, just tap on it. And here just tap on screen lock and biometrics. Then enter your current PIN. Then select continue. Then select PIN from here. And then you just have to enter at least 6 digits PIN. So just enter that. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can see this system has been enabled. It is confirm pin without tapping OK. When you r- remove any digit from here which is less than 6, so this system has been lost. You just have to enter a 6 digit pin, then select continue from here, then select use anyway, then re-enter your pin, then select OK, then select OK again. And now whenever you enter your pin on your lock screen, so your OK button will not show here, just like this. Just enter your pin, and that's how you can easily remove your OK button from lock screen in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.